Why were women so important in the Irish Gaelic revival? Imagine a time when Ireland was searching for its soul, trying to reconnect with its roots and reclaim its identity. Women played a key part in this journey. They were not just spectators but active builders of the cultural rebirth. Their involvement was closely linked to the idea of strengthening Irish life at home and within communities. The revival focused on bringing back the Irish language, stories, and traditions, and women were seen as the perfect agents for this. They helped spread Irish culture through everyday life, especially in homes and local areas. This meant women could promote Irish language and customs without stepping outside their traditional roles. Organizations like the Gaelic League welcomed women from the start. Women led local branches, taught Irish to children and adults, and promoted Irish history and literature. While men often held formal leadership positions, women were very visible in cultural activities and community events. Women like Lady Gregory Morany Chinyide and Agnes O'Fairley took on important roles in shaping the movement. They helped organize events, write, and advocate for Irish culture. Their work made the revival feel alive in everyday Irish life. Women's work also centered on keeping Irish traditions alive in the home. They made Irish the language of their families and kept Irish stories, songs, and crafts alive. This idea of domestic nationalism meant that women's influence was vital in making Irish identity a part of daily life. One revivalist said women's mission was to make Irish homes Irish, ensuring the language and culture survived from the grassroots level. Women's influence extended beyond culture into politics. Groups like Inginad na hÉireann and Cumann Nam Ban connected cultural revival to the fight for Irish independence. Women used literature, theater, and newspapers to express nationalist ideas and rally support. They worked alongside men but also made their own voices heard in the political arena. Today, when you visit Ireland, understanding women's role in the Gaelic revival adds a new layer to your experience. Visiting cultural centers, theaters, and language schools linked to women activists shows how much women shaped Irish history. Their work helped create a sense of Irish pride that still lives on today. In short, women were vital to the Irish Gaelic revival because they promoted Irish language and culture at home and in communities. They took leadership roles in cultural groups and connected culture to politics. Their efforts helped preserve Irish traditions and set the stage for Ireland's independence. Women's contributions made the revival a broad movement rooted in everyday life, shaping Ireland's future.